I'm holding on.
I'm not gonna watch that screen. I'm gonna watch what I'm doing.
You don't have to drive fast though.
Nope. Freaking birds are flying below us.
I know. The turns are going to be the hard part. When you get at the stop sign at the bottom, just stay there for about 30 seconds.
You want me to go to the edge of the driveway?
No, just keep going because I can edit that in real time. I want a complete POV.
So cool.
It is. And then I'll upload a full,
Awesome.
Yeah, I'll upload a full POV of the entire thing with music too. Like untouched, like at a later time.
Get your trailer on your side of the road.
This is freaking badass. Shooting it at 60 frames per second as well, which is double the frame rate. So when you watch it normally, like on YouTube, it'll be so effing smooth.
I'm trying to like keep it at the same speed so it.
Oh no, it'll be fine.
Jesus Christ, that's a tight one right there.
Yeah, it is. This one's a tight one too, because that's the road we're going. Shoulder drop off, literally. Oh. This is the driveway up here, coming around the bend. Somebody at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Hola.
Pancho Villa. God, that is off the right.
I know. The scariest entrance and the broken guardrail. So we were up there. We flew that Buffin drone all the way over here.
Yep.
That's pretty fun.
That's what I said. That son of a bitch was up there when it was out here.
We couldn't even see it.
They should have like an open air roller coaster up and down.
They have mountain coasters like the one up by you.
Yep.
That would be awesome for here. Gotta pass a truck.
God, that's awesome.
Oh, that's the valley. Yeah, that's all. That's what we're smelling. All that haze is from that paper mill. We're about halfway down, I think.
least they banked the corners really good.
Oh yeah, you imagine if they weren't.
Oh.
What's that? Garbage?
McDonald's. Just keeps going.
I was saying it's even better today. Oh, so this must be her house over here. Yep, that's it. Wow. This is incredible.
Cows are up above us.
Oh, that would suck.
Oh, dude.
Why? Why would you do that? Holy shit.
No.
Well, it'd be a good workout.
Yeah, if you made it. They'd find, watch it, me and you wouldn't even got this far.
That's going to be funny to listen back to. Paper mill.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. This little, what I guess is, what is this, an oil thing?
Yeah, oil storage.
You can see it from like the hotel and it looks really small. And then since it's recording in real time, we'll be able to say how long it actually takes to come down. Yeah, still got a couple turns, I think. Get to the stop sign, well, just continue going on like the way you would. You don't have to stop for a while. I'll fade it off as we enter town.
You can get a shot of the truck as we go by it.
Yeah, I can do that. Absolutely. That'll be a good way to end my video. Good idea, Brian. Good. My ears, man.
Mm-hmm. Pop, pop, pop.
Yep. Just like skydiving.